Beneath a blooming cherry tree on the university campus, Mina and Salam's eyes meet, sparking an unspoken connection. Sunlight bathes the scene, casting a golden glow as their joyful love begins. Amidst the towering stacks of books, Mina leans forward, her face illuminated by desk lamps, hope shining in her eyes. Salam remains engrossed in his studies, brow furrowed, offering only short replies. The air crackles with unspoken tension, a silent premonition of diverging paths. Mina's voice cracks, laced with frustration and sadness, as she faces Salam. "Why do you sit quietly?" Mina asks, her voice trembling slightly. Salam responds softly, "I could not explain my heart. I did not know what you wanted." Mina and Salam walk along the forest path, the silence heavy between them. Mina halts, her voice filled with pain. "It was as if we didn't know each other. Our love was a lie." Salam rolls his eyes, the sound of leaves crunching under his feet punctuating their separation. Years later, Mina walks across the university campus, a seasoned graduate now. Mina stops beneath a cherry tree, a wistful expression crossing her face as memories flood back. The memory of love lingers, a bittersweet reminder of what once was.